Hello, my name is Antonovsky and in this video uh, I'll show how to solve the task K, which name is frequency analysis from contest 9. Basically, the task requires us to write a program which will be capable of counting the words in the text and displaying them in the descending order, one word per line. If some words have the same number of appearance in the text, they will be sorted in lexicographical order. So here's an example of the output that the program should produce from its input, and we'll try to make this program work. So the first line of code contains the open built-in function which opens a file and writes it to the flines variable. The next is to state a dictionary, which we will use to store the words of the text. So the next two lines we write lines which contain the operators for, which are used to get through all the words on each line and make some operations with them. So we split each line of the text, get each word from this line, and then we'll try to check whether this word is presented in our dictionary. If it is, we just get this variable and add 1 to it. If it isn't presented in the dictionary, then we'll create this variable and apply 0 to it. So this way we can count all the words in the array without duplicates. So the next line contains the sorting process. We'll try to sort out the data that we got previously. We're sorting the keys of our dictionary with the following formula. We'll going to sort it by the key. We're going to sort the data by the key. The first priority of sorting will be the number of its appearance in the text. So we write the following way, and the secondary priority thing is to sort this keys by its lexicographical order. That's why we write it as the second element of the tuple. And the last but not least is to view our array that we got in the output. We'll use the function join to display each word on the separate line of the output. And so that is the whole solution of the task K in the 9th contest. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and I'm going to share with you the solution of the following exercise. Exercise L from the 9th contest. Very similar to the previous one. What our program has to do, there is a given text and it should print out the word that occurs most often in the text. If there are several such words, it should print the one that is less in lexicographical order. So here you can see some examples of input and output of the program. So Here is my program, and I'll try to describe how does it work. First 4 or 5 lines are similar as first 5 lines in the previous task, because tasks are very similar but output differs. So in the first line we open the file and give it the variable lines. Then we define the dictionary, and in our text, for every line of our text, we define words, and then comparing words, for each words we try to understand if this word exists in our dictionary or not. If it exists, it does. It adds 1, and if it doesn't, it stays like 0. Then using the method values, we try to get the quantity of such words that was repeated in the text, and we used max to understand the maximum of this number, the word that was mentioned in the text maximum quantity of times. And then we put every word that were in the text such quantity of times in the massive in the array of our lines, and then we sort it to gain the first one be the first in the lexicographical order, and print out the first item in our array. That's it.